Hello everyone, myself Anjali Savke. I am a first year BMS student from Gomantak Ayurved Mahavidyalaya and Research Center, Shiroda, Goa. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is called as Ama. In this, we will talk about Ama, commentary on Ama, Samadosha, Samanya Lakshana of Samadosha and Samanya Lakshana of Niramadosha. Now, we will talk about the introduction of Ama. उष्मणोऽल्पबलत्वेन धातुमाद्यमपाचितं दुष्टमामाशयगतं रसमामं प्रचक्षते. The first issue of the body, that is Rasadhatu, which was not formed properly due to weakness of the digestive fire and accumulation in the stomach in the abnormal state, is known as Ama. It is present in the Amashaya. Due to inefficiency of Jatharagni, the transformation of Ahara Rasa of Prakrit Rasadhatu is incomplete. The product formed between the transformation of Ahara Rasa and Rasadhatu is called as Ama. In this, the conversion of food into Ahara Rasa and Kitta and further transformation of Ahara Rasa, in both these processes, the undigested rasa is formed. Such undigested rasa is distorted by doshas which resides in Amashaya. So it is called Dushta. Commentary on Ama. According to Chakrapani, Ama is Shukta, that is fermented. According to Madhav Nidan, Ama is nothing but vitiation of doshas. Vagbhata says that decreased digestive fire unable to process food material into Ahara Rasa, called as primary digestive juice. So, according to him, Ama is an entity which is produced like the formation of fermented product from flour of low quality grain. Now we will talk about the causes of formation of Ama. First, we will talk about pathological factors responsible for production of Ama. First, Hetu, Agnidushti and Agni Mandakaraka. Second, Dosha, three doshas. Third, Dushya, Annarasa. Srotas, Annavaha Srotas and Purishavaha Srotas. Fifth, Adhishthana, Mahasrotas and Grahani. Second, we will talk about etiological factors responsible for production of Ama. First, Aharaja. Guru, Shita, Vishtamba, Shushka, Vidahi, Ruksha, Pichila Guna cause formation of Ama. Ajirna Bhojana, Adhyashana, Vishamashana produces Ama Vikara, Grahani Vikara, etc. Second, Viharaja. Vegadharana, Divaswapna, Dukhashaya. Third, Manasika. Chinta, Shoka, Bhaya, Krodha, Irsha, Lobha, Udvega, Ri, Kama. Fifth, Other. Adidushtata, Dosha, Sammilana. Improper management of Vamana, Virechana and Snehana. Desha, Kala, Ritu, Vaishamya. Symptoms of Ama. Srotarodha, obstruction or clogging of srotases, microchannels, that is intestines, capillaries and blood vessels in the body. Balabhransha, weakness or loss of strength. Third, Gaurava, heaviness in the body. Alasya, fatigue. Anila Mudhata, that is obstruction in the flow of Vayu, that is excrete gas. Sixth, Apaki, indigestion. 7. Nishthivana, excessive salivation. 8. Malasanga, that is obstruction of malas, that is stool, urine, excrete gas etc. Ninth, aruchi, that is anorexia. 10th is clamor, that is lethargy. Now we will talk about samadosha. आमेन तेन संपृक्ता दोषा दुष्याश्च दूषिताः सामा इत्युपदिश्यन्ते ये च रोगास्तदुद्भवः. Here there is amalgamation of the previous said undigested material with certain body elements like dosha, dhatu and mala causing certain conditions called as sama. If the doshas are mixed with ama and are circulating all over the body and may be accumulated in the tissues and also in the state of not stirring up, they should not be eliminated forcefully in those conditions. सामान्य लक्षण ऑफ साम. स्रोतरोध बलभ्रंश गौरवा अनिल मूढतः आलस्यापक्ति निष्ठिव मलसंगारुचिक्लमः. स्रोतरोध. Majorly annavah srotas obstruction further creates certain obstructive pathology in body. Balabhransha. Here mainly strength is related to prevent from diseases like Vyadhi Kshamatva as well as certain disease specific strength called Vyadhi Bala Virodhitva can be considered, which is mostly correlated with decreased immunity power. Gaurava, mostly heaviness in abdominal region, that is Kukshi Gaurava. Anila Mudhata, improper or impaired movement of vitiated dosha, which can be considered to Udavarta condition, which is ascending movement of vitiated vata. Alasya, which is also called as Utsaha Hani, lethargic due to improper or no Sara formation, that is loss of nutrition. Apakti, it is specific condition of decreased or diminished digestive fire which is unable to digest food further. Nishtiva, satata shtivana, repeated salivary secretion. Malasanga, here mala means we have to consider out three mala, that is mutra, purisha, sveda, sanga, that is obstruction of urine, feces and sweat. No excretion of all above entities. Aruchi, here ruchi is considered as complete disliking towards food, which is why according to Chakrapani it is considered when the person will not feel to ingest the food. Again, it is due to certain indigested entity engaging the digestive function. Klama, it is indriya glani, where senses are unable to perceive their objects. Now, we will talk about Samanya Lakshana of Nirama Dosha. The Lakshanas of Nirama Dosha are opposite of Sama Dosha. Srota Shuddhi, that is obstruction will be relieved, which is also called as Avarodha Nasha. Next, Bala Prapti, gain in strength, mental and physical, and increase immunity. Laghava, feeling of lightness in the body, especially in abdominal region. Vatat Anuloma, normalize functioning of Vata. Utsaha, feeling of enthusiasm. Pakti, digestion of previous indigested material. Anishtiva, absence of excess salivary secretion. Malasarga, ideal excretion of feces, urine and sweat in their proper time. Ruchi, liking towards food or desire to eat food. Indriya prasannata or aglani, senses perceive their object properly. So this was all about the Samadosha, Niramadosha and Amadosha. Thank you.